This is my Sagitta 900, which I picked up second hand from a model swap meet. It wasn't very expensive, but it has got a few issues. The all-moving elevator is really wobbly. It's a common problem with this kind of setup. You can really see the elevator flexing from side to side, but this one is a particularly bad example. I don't know if it's worth the effort of completely revamping the model or just keep flying it as it is. This flight that you're about to see is way too windy for the plane, but I was eager to give it a go and see how well it flies.